Hey everyone! If you've ever tried to use the Xiaomi Hey Plus smart band outside China, you've probably hit a snag. To use its companion app, you need a Chinese phone number, which can be a big barrier if you're not actually in China. Here's a neat workaround to get your smart band up and running no matter where you are. So, what's the big deal? Well, the Hey Plus app insists on a Chinese phone number to send a verification SMS. Unfortunately, you can't just pop in any international number because the country code can't be changed. It's hard-coded. This has left many international users frustrated as the band becomes almost unusable without app access. But there's good news. There's a simple and effective solution: temporary Chinese phone numbers. Services like MobileSMS.io offer these temporary numbers specifically for receiving SMS online. With this little trick, you can bypass the country restriction and unlock all the features of your Hey Plus app. Let's walk through the steps. First, head over to MobileSMS.io and sign up or log into your account. Choose a temporary Chinese phone number from the list provided. Then enter this number into the Hey Plus app when prompted for a phone number. Soon after, you'll receive an SMS code. Just input this code back into the app and voila, you're all set. Many users have already taken advantage of this workaround, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. They've managed to unlock their devices and enjoy the full range of features, all thanks to these temporary Chinese numbers. Before you go ahead, please make sure to check the app's terms of service to ensure you're in compliance. Remember, this guide is purely for informational purposes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.